Hi, in front of me is POCO F7 and let me show you how to enable the Wallpaper Carousel on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of settings, scroll down, choose here Personalization right here, scroll down and choose here the Wallpaper Carousel. So let me tap agree to the following information. And if I tap agree, the wallpaper carousel will be automatically turned on. You can choose the wallpaper carousel settings, so you can choose the recommendation only, you can choose the wallpaper mix right here, you can select the selected photos only if you would like to use your photos. In my case, let me use the recommendation only, so it will display only wallpapers recommended according to your preferences. You can also here select topics. Let me choose, for example, fitness and travel, maybe also family, and that's it. You can here also swipe right to view more if you would like to. You can choose stories, toolbooks or off. Alright, so that's it. This is like the wallpaper carousel. It should work right now. As you can see right here, I've got different wallpapers every time and it will switch automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.